Hey everyone, and welcome back to Best Tendency. Today, we're diving deep into the tackle box to take a close look at the PLUSINNO fishing rod and reel combo. Now, if you're anything like me, you're always on the lookout for gear that's not only effective but also convenient, right? Well, this combo promises exactly that, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. If you're interested after watching this review, you can find the live price update and purchase link in the description below. What first caught my eye about the PLUSINNO fishing rod and reel combo is its portability. This is a carbon fiber telescopic rod, which means it collapses down to a really manageable size. Perfect for throwing in the car for those spontaneous fishing trips, or even taking on a plain talk about a travel-friendly fishing rod kit. This combo features a durable carbon fiber blank blended with fiberglass, giving it a good balance of sensitivity and strength. The stainless steel reel seat is great for resisting corrosion, making it suitable for both saltwater and freshwater adventures. The EVA foregrip offers a comfortable hold for those longer fishing sessions. The included HA3000 reel has a 5.2 to 1 gear ratio, providing smooth operation. It's equipped with an instant anti-reverse and a deep aluminum spool with a decent line capacity. For a combo in this price range, the reel feels quite capable. Let's talk about the positives. The portability is a major highlight. It's perfect for travel and storing easily. For a best budget fishing rod combo, the quality feels pretty good. The rod has a nice feel thanks to the carbon fiber, and the reel operates smoothly. This combo is a fantastic rod and reel combo for beginners, easy to use right out of the box. It's a truly convenient grab-and-go fishing setup, ideal for ponds, lakes, and even kayak fishing. It's becoming a popular choice for its affordability and practicality. Now for the downsides. Some users have reported the rod breaking under moderate stress, so it might not be the most robust option for very demanding fishing conditions or targeting larger species in deep-sea fishing. A few reviewers also mentioned minor imperfections in the finish. While it might not win any beauty contests, it prioritizes functionality for its price point. So, what makes the PLUSINNO combo unique? I think it really boils down to that balance of portability and affordability. It's not a high-end best bass fishing rod and reel or a specialized fly fishing rod or surf fishing rod, but it's a fantastic all-around option for casual anglers, beginners, or anyone who needs a travel-friendly setup. It's definitely a great fishing tool to have in your arsenal for those unexpected fishing opportunities. And with Christmas coming up, it could be a thoughtful fishing gift for a father, son, husband, or boyfriend. With its medium power rating, it's well-suited for species like bass and trout, and possibly smaller catfish. For more extreme fishing scenarios like heavy ice fishing, you'd likely need specialized gear. They also offer this combo in several different lengths, from 1.8 meters, 5.91 feet, up to 3.3 meters, 10.83 feet. So you can choose the one that best suits your fishing style and the types of water you'll be fishing in. In summary, the PLUSINNO fishing rod and reel combo is a great option if portability and budget are your main concerns. While there are some durability questions for heavy use, it provides excellent value and convenience for casual anglers and beginners. If you're interested, check out the link in the description below. What do you think of this combo? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy fishing!